Hey, what's up, everybody? We still get this question all the time, so I want to quickly walk you through what are Core Web Vitals and why do they matter. Essentially, this is Google's way of determining whether or not your website is good to use. So there are three distinct metrics that Google uses. I'm pulling these examples directly from their documentation, so you can get a really clear picture of what Core Web Vitals are and why they matter for your website. So the first one we're going to look at here is what's called LCP, Largest Contentful Paint. It's a fancy name for saying how long does it take the main content of your page to load. So you can see this is a timeline view of a very popular website, CNN.com, and each different element loads on the page, but LCP is not completed. That largest paint isn't completed until this main hero image is loaded. So Google wants this number to be under 2.5 seconds. They want the main content of your page to load under 2.5 seconds. If that is true, then you get a good score for your LCP. Moving on. All right, the next example we're going to look at is what's called CLS, or Content Layout Shift. And this is something we're all familiar with. This is when you go to tap or click on an element on your website, and all of a sudden it shifts and moves. So I go to click no, go back, and then I get this app install thing that falls down, and all of a sudden I accidentally submitted an order for 56 items I did not want. That is a real thing that happens on the internet. So Google does not want your content to be shifting around as the page loads, because that creates, like this, a very bad experience. The last one is what's called INP, or Interaction Index Paint, and essentially what that means is how long does it take from the time that I tap or click for the thing to happen. Now on the left here we have a bad example, and on the right we have a good example. So we'll quickly go through these, and you can see like I'm clicking, tapping here on the left, but the accordion isn't expanding right away. So what do? Naturally I click and tap again, and all of a sudden the website thinks that I'm trying to close the accordion now, when all I really wanted was this nice experience on the right where when I click and tap, the interaction happens right away. So those are the three Core Web Vitals. The reason that they matter is because Google factors these into the search engine algorithm. So if you want to be found in AI results, or you want to be found in search, you really need to have Core Web Vitals solid. We see it all the time. We see sites that are outranking their competitors because they have better Core Web Vitals. So that's the quick explanation of Core Web Vitals. Hope it's helpful, and have a great day.